everybody. This week's recording or video is a little bit delayed because, well, as you can see from my screen right now, there is a macro on keyboard Maestro that I can't seem to get to work properly. And I'm gonna go through it with you and then see the parts that are not working well in action. So first, let me explain the concept of this macro. This macro only is part of a group that only works when Safari is active. So this part of it right here tells the variable that only activate when a particular URL is open. This is just for the browser itself. So only when a URL is in the front window. This tells, this part of the macro tells when a new URL is open, and the URL is the Pirate Bay. And this part here tells it to look at the previous URL so it doesn't reload the Pirate Bay every time you click anywhere on the website. And then once that is open, the URL, it tells the ExpressVPN to launch. This is this section here. And then it pauses 2 seconds. And then this should click the area in ExpressVPN to activate the VPN service to change my IP address to something else. And then this just tells it to look at the previous URL again because it seems to reload the macro over and over. Alright, so I'm going to activate this macro. I'm going to close this window and I'm going to trigger it. So we're going to open up Safari. Then we're going to go to the Pirate Bay and see if it activates. Alright, so see right there, it says that it could activate the it could activate ExpressVPN, but everything else seems to have failed. So, and if I click anywhere on the site, it seems to loop and run the macro again. And now it's finally connected. But again, I click somewhere else on the site. Like, let's say Ballers. I'm going to select audio or video here. Click search. Oops. I can't show this part. So there is a problem with that part of the macro. I'm going to close this. I'm going to close Safari for now. And then I'm going to disconnect from the VPN. And I'm going to show you a Apple script that should work in transmission, but it's not working correctly. Okay, this is just the note that I have for myself, and this is to tell transmission and ExpressVPN, tell application to quit. And I've tested it out just by using the Apple Script Editor and running it from here. But when I'm trying to run it from and you see this bar right here, it should quit. And it should stop the VPN and transmission altogether. Can anybody tell me why this this script is not working when it's placed right here within transmission, so that when the downloads are complete, so when a file is downloaded to me, the script is called and it quits VPN and transmission? Let me know. Alright guys, that was just a quick video to sort of explain why this week there has been a keyboard Maestro fail with transmission. Alright, like the video, comment below, and subscribe. I really appreciate it.